Vivo unveiled the Vivo X300 series in China and Europe, and Vivo X300, X300 Pro is launching on December 2nd in India. Both smartphones are powered by the recently announced MediaTek Dimensity 9500 SoC with Origin OS 6 based on Android 16. Vivo X300 Pro will be offered in Wilderness Brown, Simple White, Free Blue and Pure Black. Both X300 and X300 Pro support the Zeiss 2.35x telephoto extender, the same accessory first introduced on the X200 Ultra. X300 Pro carries a Sony LYT-A28 main sensor offering 50 megapixels paired with a 50MP ultra-wide and 85mm 200 megapixel Zeiss APO telephoto. The X300 Pro features a slim 7.99mm profile and a 6.78-inch flat display with a metal frame designed for a sharper edge feel. It will also pack dual UFS 4.1 storage. It features a larger 6510 mAh battery with 90W wired and 40W wireless charging. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.